welcome back guys to another video. Today I will be playing Jailbreak again. And this time I'm going to be playing with my friend Nate.
Hi.
Well, have you got a key, Nate? Oh wait, no, don't
no.
think so. Do you?
No, I don't.
Alright. Where do you want to go first?
I haven't played this in a while now. What was the plane one?
Cargo
Yeah,
plane? Cargo plane?
Yeah, the cargo plane.
Yeah.
I haven't played this in so long.
Alright, let's go to the cargo plane then, if you want.
Where?
Do you? Yeah? Okay. Anyway, back to the video. Now we are going to the cargo plane.
Oh god. I'll have to get this one if I don't do anything to it, won't I?
Yeah. I haven't been in the cargo plane in the video, have I? Maybe? Guys, comment down below if I have been to the cargo plane in my video. One of them. Besides this.
I don't remember it.
Oh wait, jetpack first.
Oh right. Oh, we didn't really need it, really. We always get a parachute.
Well, like, to escape camping cops. And I don't know why, but they when they did the new update, I think it was 2 updates ago, or last update, damn it, my game froze. You have to wait 14 seconds to refill your jetpack.
There's only one typo, which is actually good, I guess.
How much money? Hang on, is it that my username this is these, Yeah. Hang on, how much money? VIP, oh damn, VIP people. Yep, they're good. 3.3 million.
I'm trying to get this thing, but you suck.
There. Alright, 3.3 million. My highest is only 1.5 million.
Yeah. Meanwhile, some people are like, woo.
Meanwhile, the richest person has 1 billion. Bro.
I'm not sure about that. It could be something else.
Low.
Imagine if the cargo plane just left.
No, I would have got a thing. Wait, I just saw a blue dot on my mini-map. As soon as I came down, I saw a blue dot. I just need to refill. Look, if you try to refill, so you waste all your jetpack fuel, you have to wait 14 seconds.
That's annoying.
I know.
This is stupid.
Wait, I can buy the rocket fuel. The rocket fuel for the jetpack. I have 58 Robux left. Oh, and by the way, guys, all the fans to you out there, I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm not trying to be rude. This may sound a bit rude, but no offense. But I just got 6,000 Robux, and I don't know why I wasted all of it.
How does that sound greedy? It doesn't sound greedy.
I know, but like I'm not a keeper with Robux. I'm a waster with Robux. Because I want.
When I play FIFA, I keep all my time.
Except sometimes.
Only with my taco thing.
You stay here. I'll go see if the cargo plane. Right now, I'm going to get a note. Thing. Oh God. Oh God, mate. Look on chat. Look on chat. He's good. He's good.
Yeah.
gonna
Can
see.
do they know your real name? Oh yeah, now they do.
No. Well, yeah, now they do. No, I
By the
don't
way,
see it.
His name's Connor. His name's Connor.
Yeah. Please don't die. Okay, good. Oh god, I thought I was going to die there.
What does everyone call you?
I don't know.
What do they call you? Double X or like K?
I want my username to be called it's underscore Kai JB or it's underscore YouTube Kai JB.
Can you change it?
Yeah, but you need 1,000 Robux.
Why didn't you? Oh, right.
Yeah. I didn't know until this morning because I tried to do it. Guys, I tried to change my username before I started the video, but like it said I need to do 942 more Robux. Why are we just waiting here for the car? Wait. Did they delete the cargo plane?
Pardon?
Yeah, this morning when I played, because I played for like 20 minutes. It normally takes 10 minutes for the cargo plane to come. It only said the bank, the jewelry store, the museum, the power plant, and the cargo ship. I guess I wasn't paying attention.
Question for you, Conan.
What?
I'm not good in videos, would you not be able to put me in the video?
What do you mean by that?
If like no views get on this or something, will I not be in it anymore?
I'm not trying to be rude, but like, I've got like, hang on, let me check.
How many subs?
I've got 2 subs right now that I know of.
What? Yeah, because I see one of them.
And I think you're one of them, right?
Yeah, I'm one of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. But I've got 42 views on my first video.
Still not have no key card. I feel like
Oh, Benson joined.
Benson?
Yeah, from school.
Get him on.
Yeah, he's coming. He joined me. I'm friends with him.
Are you?
Yeah. He has 5,400 money. Go down to the bottom.
Tell him that I'm Nate.
Okay. Just go to leaderboards and then scroll all the way down to the bottom.
Where prisoner is?
Yeah. He has $5,400.
Oh, 1,000. Wait, what does that do?
5,000.
5,000. Fat. Here we go. Tier.
Alright.
By the
Okay.
way, guys, while Conan's doing that, Benson is a friend from school.
Yeah.
He's really good at handball. Our friend Kabasi, like we heard you, like we just told you, he doesn't really, he's not much into it.
Because like Benson, like Dibs. I'm one of the best people in our grade at handball, but Benson, he can even get me out.
Yeah.
Like he can get out easily, but he can get anyone out.
Good.
Like even newbies can get me out, even pros can get me out, of course.
I'm not bad, am I?
Yeah, you're not bad. Sometimes you just have luck, you know? And sometimes people steal my soul.
Yeah, inspecting right now. Done. Now I'm getting. Oh
Done.
no! Didn't give me a cup.
Did you get the key card?
No.
Do you want to open it?
No. Oh, fine. Open. Open.
Hi, Benson. Making a video name. Sorry, Nate, where are you?
Oh.
Oh.
I'm going to cover for now.
Oh, yep, I see you. Do you see me? Look up. Wait, go on top of the bank, because they still have the heli.
Yeah, I see you now. I see you, bro. Why don't I have it?
Oh, because you used the jetpack, probably. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is kind of boring now.
What do you mean?
We don't have anything to talk about.
Yeah. Because, like, normally we would have lots of things to talk about. 7,500. Woo!
1,000! I got only 4,000 for it.
The highest is 11,500.
You want to go do it again?
You want to rob museum first?
Sure. I don't get the whole point of the balloon thingamajig. The air balloon. The hot air balloon. Sorry. Oh,
Well.
wait, no, I fell. What up?
Alright.
Now I gotta ring whistle.
Guys, after this robbery, I'll have to end the video here.
I thought we were doing Minecraft, weren't we?
Yeah. Like, after the video.
Oh, I thought we were filming it.
My laptop's too old for Minecraft. Don't know why.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and by the way, guys, in Jailbreak, I have every game pass besides VIP.
Oh my god, I'm about to die. I'm about to die, boy. Hold up. I'm getting some bones. Nope, I'm getting nothing.
Whew. But I have caps lock
Okay,
on.
which side are you going on to?
Say it again.
Alright.
Oh, I'm... Pool, guy, pool. Alright, good. We pulled.
Oh, you're on the side and you're on my side. Alright, you gone? What happened?
Yeah, I'm in my heli.
Oh, hold up. I'm down the bottom. Help me. Please, can you help me? We'll head to the criminal base. We'll head to the criminal base and we'll end the video there.
Yeah.
I haven't played this in a while. This is why I'm forgetting everything.
Yeah, the criminal base has changed a lot.
It has.
Well, guys, I'm going to have to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and notifications and comment down below what game you want me to play next. See you in the next video. Bye!